Area is a word which is we use very commonly. Now, an object has certain area, that means how much space it is occupying. So area is basically related to space, often which is occupied by an object. In front of me, if you see here, we have two objects. The one has got, now if I imagine this object over here, in this object I've got 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 squares. These are the object is made up of 6 squares and all other equal squares. So I can assume that this one square is 1 unit. If this is of length 1 unit and breadth 1 unit, in that case I call this as a 1 square unit. I call this as 1 unit square, or I can say alright, 1 unit square. I call this 1 square as 1 unit square. So this is my 1 unit square. Similarly, this is my another unit square. So all these are my 1 unit square each. So how many unit squares I have? I have 6 unit squares. So I can say my area here is 6 unit squares. My area here is 6 unit squares. Now similarly here in this figure, if I go my second figure, if I see, I have got 4 squares. In the second figure there are 4 squares, and each square we consider as 1 unit square. Each square is considered as 1 unit square. So how many unit squares are there? These are 4 unit squares. So here we get the idea which area is greater. Obviously 6 units squares are greater than 4 unit squares. So area gives us the idea that 6 unit squares are greater than 4 unit squares. Now this unit can be anything. Unit, when we say a unit, it can be anything. It can be in centimeters, it can be in meters, it can be in feet, or anything else, right? So that's how we define the area. Now let's see another example over here. If I say this is my square, okay, this is a square, and within that square there is a circle, and within circle there is a triangle. So if we see over here, the triangle is inside the circle, and the circle is inside the square. So which has got the more area? So obviously this part this is the area, extra area, which square has got. So square has got largest area. The area of the square is greater than circle area and that is greater than, I can say that is greater than triangle area. So that is all about area is.